we will look at the customer section. Here, you can see a list of all your customers who have interacted with your store. To add a new customer, simply click on the Add Customer button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to enter the customer details. Choose a group name, enter the customer's name, provide a nickname if applicable, enter email and mobile number, then simply click on the Save button. The customer will be added successfully, and a welcome invitation email will be sent to them. The email will inform the customer that they have been invited to access the store, along with a link and their login credentials. Now, I'm not adding a customer. I'll just close the pop-up. You can try adding a customer from your end by following the same steps. You can also add customers in bulk. Simply click on Import Bulk Customers. Pop-up will appear. First, download the sample file, then fill in the required customer information. After that, upload the file, and all customers will be added in bulk automatically. Next, we will look at customer groups. Here, you can add customer groups to categorize your customers based on different criteria.